This might be one of the cruelest punishments in medieval history. Back then, if someone was accused of a crime like theft or adultery, they faced something called the Ordeal of Boiling Water. A priest would drop a ring into a pot of boiling water, and the accused had to reach in and pull it out with their bare hand. Everyone knew the water would severely burn you, but people believed God would protect the innocent. 3 days later, your hand was inspected. If the wounds were infected or healed badly, you were declared guilty. And the punishment? Often execution. Would you survive this test of innocence?